This is a package I've received. Let's just open and see what is inside. Let's see what is here. Lots of fizzy stuff. Okay, that's it. I'll push this away and look at what is the rest of it. Okay, now let's see what is here. What we have here is well packed. I have to open it with a knife. Ooh, this is a Televue Everbrite. Ooh, Televue Everbrite. The best diagonal in existence. Well, one of the best. Ooh, that's the Televue. That's quite massive, heavy. It's a Televue Everbrite. Oh, I have to find a cap for here. It's a missing cap here, but this other cap is there. Oh. I always was under the impression that Mars is a difficult object to observe. I can disagree with that. It's easy now because it's a near opposition, and the details on it are really big and visible. This is the moon. Mars is just a tiny bit above it. That dot above. See the blinking thing? That was the Mars. Focus on it and it just disappears. Yeah. I have to say this 3.5mm 110 degrees Skywatcher Myriad is amazing. I have many eyepieces. I found this one shows me the best views of the Mars at least. I can clearly see the polar cap, a large, vast albedo feature, kind of green light. I'm not surprised they thought this plant is green. We know that it's volcanic rock, rough terrain that appears dark. It's a vast area. I will label it later when I'm looking on a map, and I will put the map here. It's beautiful.